How to download designs on Canva. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can download designs on Canva. First of all, open the Canva application on your mobile device, and on the home page you will see different design categories here. You can select any of the design you want to download. Also, you can use the search bar and type the word design and search it. There you will find the designs. Once you have selected the design you want to download, click on it. You will then be taken to design page. Now to download the design, look for an arrow facing upwards in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it and a download option will appear. Click on download and the design will be saved to your device. Now, if you want to download your previously created designs, here at the top of the screen you will see 3 horizontal lines at the left. Click on it. And there you will see all your designs. Scroll down to find the one you want to download. Click on it and again look for the same arrow facing upwards in the top right corner. Click on it, then click on download. So wait for a while now and your design will be successfully downloaded. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.